don't look at my dead plant, okay? So I just wanted to hop on here really quick and say thank you so much to everyone that has been, what am I trying to say? I just wanted to hop on here really quick and say thank you to everyone that has been supporting my website and that has said sweet things about it. And also I see there's so many of you that have been going on there and downloading my free business planner, and you've been picking up the products and everything like that. And so I'm so happy you're loving it. So what I wanted to let you guys know was that I am actually currently doing a special. I'm going to be doing one-on-one strategy sessions, and they're an hour long, but they'll only be $97, okay? Normally I would charge $250 for something like this, but I'm only charging $97 to the first 5 people that sign up for a session. These sessions are meant to help you build a strategy for your business. If you're just starting a business, or if you already have one, but you feel like you need to make some adjustments and, you know, kind of revamp things, that is my specialty. So I will definitely help you come up with a strategy that'll work and actually help you grow your business all through 2020. So if you click the link in the description right now, you can go on and book your session, and then I will help you come up with this strategy, and we will get you on track so that you can have success this year. All right. Okay.
That's what I think of saying it.
No, that makes sense. I definitely, I've noticed a difference in how engaged you've been when you first started versus now. So I definitely understand the point that you made. Some of you were wanting an update on the interns and how everything is going with them. So to be completely transparent, I have let go of a few of them. The reason being is because some were just not applying themselves, and then others we just let go of because we didn't have enough work to keep them. And I don't look at it as a failure or as like we're moving backwards. I actually see it as a good thing, because I'd rather have a smaller team that's more efficient and effective than a bigger team that is not doing much of anything just for the sake of saying that we have a bigger team. So if you go onto our Instagram, you can see our highlight that has a full rundown of everyone that was on the team, but a few of those people are actually not with us anymore. But right now we have 2 interns and then me, and we are working very hard every day to make sure that we get things ready for our launch. And it's going well. We do self-evaluations, and we also make sure that we are sticking to our deadlines and keeping our projects organized and everything like that. So today I'm running around like a crazy person because there's this event happening tomorrow, and it's a women's event, and they just asked if we could set up, like pivot, if we could set up at the event. And I almost didn't want to do it. One, because it's last minute, like I said, like less than 24 hours away. Also because we don't have anything to sell. We don't launch until next month. We're launching on February 25th. We finally picked a launch date. And we're going to start taking pre-orders on, why I can't see me. We're going to start taking pre-orders on February, February 18th. So with all that being said, I don't have anything to sell, but they were like, still it'd be great if you like set up and promoted your business and stuff like that. So they're right, because that is our target audience. But now I'm running around like a crazy lady when I already had a bunch of stuff to do. So I'm trying to get display items, because I had some from Solex, but they're not really going to work with the brand that we have now. And of course I can't use the banners and stuff. So I'm about to show you guys what I'm going to do. I'm going to make this work, you guys, and it's going to be cheap, and I'm going to make this cute and figure it out. So I'm going to show y'all, and then hopefully tomorrow we'll see what it looks like, and hopefully my plan works out. But I came up with some stuff off the top of my head, and then I also looked at Pinterest. So I'm hoping that these ideas work. We will see.
Can you
she just came up to me and she was like, I don't know if you remember me, but I came to your workshop, and that just made me so happy.
It's amazing. Like, you don't realize the impact that you made. I was really young. I was a little blogger baby. And it was just so transformative, and just to see so many bloggers empowering each other, it was really motivating. And so it's amazing, like, just giving like that, and you don't know the impact, and it was great. So
thank you so much. Now I'm trying to teach women to how to own their own businesses and start their own product lines.
Yes.
But that just makes me happy when I hear somebody said that, like, what I taught was decent.
It was amazing.
Well, I'm so happy that you came up to me, because a lot of people get scared. Like, people will see me out and they'll DM me and be like, I saw you at such and such. Like, no, just come say hi.
Yeah, I had to tell you, because you really made an impact, you know?
Oh, thank you so much. So yeah, you guys go follow her. I'm gonna put her information in the description box. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys one of my students.
I know, basically. Blogger baby.
Right.